Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will need a single palm frond about 12 to 18 inches long. Choose a fresh, flexible frond for easier folding and less tearing. Work on a flat surface with clean hands and light pressure to avoid damage. I will guide you through 6 simple folds that form a standing palm cross with a looped center. Follow each step slowly and keep the palm flat. Repeat movements until the shape holds without. Start by folding the frond in half to mark a center point near the middle. Leave a 3 to 4 inch tail on one side for the lower arm. Fold the top section down to form the horizontal arm and crease firmly along the edge. Repeat 2 mirrored folds on both sides to build thickness and shape. Finish by tucking the final tip into the central loop to secure the cross without glue or string. Trim excess frond with scissors for a neat cross about 5 inches tall if needed. Press along all creases to reinforce the shape and help it stand. Keep finished crosses flat and out of direct sun to prevent rapid drying and cracking. If the palm becomes brittle, moisten it lightly with a spray of water and rest for 5 minutes before reshaping. Store crosses in a cool, shaded spot and handle gently to maintain their form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.